In this video I will show you how to change a color in your chat on Signal. So let's start. To begin, open the application, click on your chat and go here, click on these three dots. Now click Conversation Settings and choose Chat Color and Wallpaper. Click on Chat Color and now you can choose your own color. So we're gonna use this one. You can edit saturation and click Save. We can also change wallpaper. So click Set Wallpaper and we can choose this one. Yeah, and you got these 80s vibes here, and this is how can you change color and wallpaper on Signal in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.